Okay, last one for me. Will, you remember the story? It was a while ago about the person that bought the iPhone on the classifieds and instead of getting an iPhone, got a box of soap.
Yes.
You remember that story?
Yes.
Okay, today we have a whole new level of that.
Oh.
Pennsylvania person bought an iPhone with a fake $1 million bill. I read that headline and I just knew I had to. I just had to read that headline on the show. An iPhone exchange in Pennsylvania took a turn for the worse, and now police are looking for a suspect carrying a very large but fake bill. WETN reports that Alexis Brown wanted to sell her used iPhone 6S for $100 to someone she met online. When the two met, Brown gave the man her old phone in exchange for a roll of bills. Do you want to look at the bills? Would that be worth it? I don't.
Nah.
Something was awry. When Brown went to count the money, she discovered that something didn't add up. The roll she was given had two $1 bills, one $10 bill, and one $1 million bill.
Get it from like Monopoly or something?
I don't know. It's a novelty bill. I think you can buy it on Amazon or something. It's a joke. $1 million bill. Why three? A roll of bills, two $1 bills, one $10 bill, and a $1 million bill. Okay. This one really threw me for a loop. I didn't know how to. So she obviously didn't check the bills at the moment, or she wouldn't have transacted the phone unless he bounced immediately after handing over the roll of bills. I'm not really sure. Of course, the bill was fake. So Brown told her girlfriend, who then went and found the scam artist. When he was confronted by the girlfriend who tried to take back the phone, the suspect reportedly punched her in the face and ran. What? But then why not do that in the first place? What is your scam? Why not just punch him in the face and take the phone?
Yeah.
But also, if you're going to scam someone, why are you scamming them for a $100 iPhone 6S? Why don't you scam them? If you're going to bring $1 million bill, there's so many problems with this story.
I really want to find out what the bill looks like.
One of the questions now is, what does a $1 million bill even look like? Oh, for the record, the largest bill ever printed, legit bill, from the U.S. Mint was a $100,000 bill, and it carried the face of President Woodrow Wilson. So that's kind of surprising that there even was a bill, a $100,000 bill. But here's your fake $1 million bills. Yeah, you can have the Statue of Liberty on it. It's a novelty item. Will, you get it for Halloween, or I don't know what you do. You just put it on the wall.
Right.
You're just a fun guy. You got a $1 million bill. Ha, ha, ha. That's all it is. It's not hard to print that. So people print them and sell them. The novelty $1 million bill is what that is. But this particular article gives me way more questions than answers. And the soap one I kind of understood, because sometimes in a transaction you have a thing where a box might be sealed or taped, and you just assume, okay, the phone is in there, and then you open it when you get home, and that one's a bit more
believable.
But this one, I just don't understand how all you have to do in a private sale type of transaction, all you have to do is hand the item and count the money. Mm-hmm. That's all you have to do. So you didn't do that.
No.
I mean, the guy's obviously a jerk. I'm not trying to defend the guy, but it's weird. And then for the guy that's the jerk as well, what is this roll of bills you're walking around with? Why? The whole thing's so wild. Wild and crazy. The internet, it'll deliver this kind of stuff to you if you're looking for it. So there you have it, another crazy classified Craigslist type of transaction. You never know what you're going to get.
No.
And you never know what's going to happen. But I think we have good news on the soap one, right? Mm-hmm. We sent them a phone.
Yes.
So soap phone, but they were supposed to send us the soap.
Yes, I think it's still gonna happen.
Okay. Well, we'll wait and see. But
Yeah.
somebody got a new iPhone. What did we send, Will?
The iPhone 11 Pro.
We sent an iPhone 11 Pro. Never
Yes.
mind a box of soap. Even though I think they were trying to bring they were trying to buy what? An iPhone 8 or 7, something like that. Anyhow, so in that case, there was sympathy. Maybe there's less sympathy in this one. I don't know. Well, if someone's getting punched in the face, I got sympathy here as well.
Yeah,
I want to hear more
someone
about it.
got
Get in
hurt.
touch with me. If you're involved in this, get in touch with me.
Tell your story.
You get in touch with me. I'm curious. But anyhow, nonetheless.